Welcome to a world where cooking is an art, and kitchens are transformed into glamorous masterpieces. Today, we're diving into the top 8 billionaire luxury kitchens, where every element is a blend of cutting-edge design and stunning luxury. These kitchens don't just feature high-end appliances, they are an experience, crafted to make every moment spent in the kitchen a feast for the senses. What sets them apart? Crystal features that add an air of sophistication, elegance, and unmatchable style. These kitchens are a perfect fusion of beauty, functionality, and luxury, turning even the simplest culinary task into something extraordinary. Imagine walking into a kitchen with shimmering crystal chandeliers that catch the light from every angle, creating an atmosphere of pure grandeur. The countertops are polished to perfection, with crystal inlays that reflect the light in mesmerizing ways. The cabinetry. It's more than just storage, it's a work of art, often adorned with crystal handles and accents that elevate the entire space. These kitchens are state-of-the-art but also opulent, blending modern technology with timeless elegance. No detail is overlooked. Take the kitchen of a billionaire in the heart of Paris, where the island countertop is crafted from pure crystal and flanked by glass panels that offer panoramic views of the city. The lighting is a custom-built crystal fixture, casting a soft, luxurious glow over the entire space. Every appliance is top of the line, from the state-of-the-art wine cooler to the smart fridge that adjusts its temperature based on your grocery list. It's a space designed for both cooking and entertaining in the most sophisticated way, or imagine a kitchen nestled in the hills of Beverly Hills, where the walls are lined with custom-made crystal panels that give off a reflective shine. The floors gleam with polished crystal marble, while the countertops blend black granite with diamond-shaped crystal accents that catch the light. F.